Hello, my name is Esosa UoR. I am a final year accounting and management student here in the university. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my experience with studying French. I chose to study French in my second year of the university, and I studied in French Stage 1 class, which is the class for absolute beginners. And why did I choose to study French? Well, growing up, I always had an interest in French. I had listened to French music a lot, which also helped me when I was studying my A levels. And I had gone to France with my family, and that trip was really fun. We had gone to Disneyland. I had gone to meet various people in France, and just hearing them speak their native language was really intriguing. I just loved to hear the way it was pronounced, and it kind of pushed me to want to study French at the university. When I discovered there was an option for me to study French as part of my course, I was really excited, and I chose it as one of my optional modules. I really did enjoy this French module because it was so engaging. I love that the teacher spent time to talk to us and interact with us individually, which helped us to practice our speaking when we were in class. Additionally, she supported us with materials from the classes through links to various resources, YouTube videos, flashcards, and sites where we could learn the language. So the resources was very wide, and I really love that because I love to learn using different methods. And why will I encourage someone to study a language in the university? It is really a unique experience for me. I love to study it, and it was one of my favorite modules because it was different to all of my other classes. A language can be used outside school. If you meet someone on campus who speaks that language, it's a great opportunity for you to practice, and it also really looks great on your CV and gives you an advantage. My favorite part about studying this language at the university is the opportunity that I had to use it outside the classroom. After I had finished studying French, I'm still not a professional in the language, but I noticed that when I would go outside and see signs in French, I would be able to interpret them, and that really felt cool to me, and it made me feel a sense of all this time spent in class was really well worth it. I can read a little bit in French, and when I watch movies, I can understand a little bit of some sentences without looking at the subtitles. So it does definitely feel rewarding, and I will really encourage anyone who's interested to take a language in the university. It's really worth it.